on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and we're going to be using the LOC, known as the LOC method. So L stands for liquid, O stands for oil, and C stands for cream. So in this video, this will actually be my first time trying the LOC method. I've never ever tried it, but I've seen it. I just recently took down a quick weave, and if you guys want to see that video, pause this video and go watch how I took down my quick weave. But yeah, I just took down a quick weave. My hair was really dry after that because it had no moisture in it when I prepped my hair to be blow dried and everything. So when I took down my hair, it was really dry, and so I thought this would be the perfect time to use this method just to restore some moisture in my hair. So my L is actually going to be this leave-in conditioner. I've never tried Pattern Beauty, and so I picked up this cute little travel size leave-in conditioner because I wanted to try it out before I actually invested into the full thing. My oil is going to be the apple seed oil by Apple and Aloe Talia Wajid. Great line. I love their products. So I'm just going to, as you guys can see, I'm starting off with one section of my hair and applying everything. I didn't want to do this part by part like I usually do when applying things to my hair, just because I didn't want to over moisturize. So yeah, the seed that I'm going to be using is going to be the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. My hair absolutely loves this product, so that is going to be my seed. And I'm going to go in with that. I love to rake it through and then go in with praying hands afterwards, just to make sure that I get it in there good. And then I also go in with my Denman brush after adding each product, just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Also, a key component in doing my hair in this method that I've seen in so many videos is water. So I did make sure my hair was like drenched when applying these products, just because water is going to help me retain that moisture that I'm looking for. I am going to be doing a twist out, so now I'm just going to go in and start twisting my hair into smaller sections. My hair is looking super duper moisturized. My twist looks so juicy, you guys. So I had already kind of fallen in love with this method just from seeing how juicy my twists are and how my hair is looking. Looks super duper moisturized. And I noticed that I had a lot of shine. Sometimes my hair does tend to look dull. So yeah, I was already loving this particular method. So I wanted to see if I was still gonna be in love with it when I woke up the next morning to dry hair, and let me just tell you, yes, I was still in love. Final results of me using the LOC method. Y'all, this is probably a method that I'm about to start using more frequently. As you guys can see, I did get a little heat damage from my quick weave because I kept straightening it. Well, I didn't straighten it too much, but apparently enough for me to get heat damage, but it's okay. We don't got no choice but to work with it. But this is the final result of the LOC method after I have stretched my hair. Yeah, you guys, I did this method because I was just coming out of my quick weave. Didn't really prepare my natural hair for it like I should have, and so when I took the quick weave out, my hair was like super dry. Needed a lot of love, a lot of TLC, and more importantly, a lot of moisture. So I was like, you know what, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try this LOC method out because it's supposed to lock in moisture, and y'all, it did just that. I might have used a little too much product when I did this because it is a little like greasy. And I apologize for my camera quality. My phone's acting crazy and your girl is saving up for a new camera. But besides the point, yeah, so I will give this a 9 out of 10 just because I over moisturized, but I would give this a 9 out of 10 because my hair feels super soft, super moisturized. And like I said, I did use a little much, so it may be a little weighed down, but all in all, I think the LOC method might be perfect for my hair. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you're new here, welcome. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Help me out, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave all questions, comments, and concerns down below in the comment box, excuse me, not description box. If you guys want to follow me on social media, that will be located down below in the description box. And also, if you guys want a detailed video on how I stretch my hair out, when I do like twist outs and braid outs and stuff like that, feel free to let me know and I'll get that up for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.